Hi, if you're born in the month of October and if you've clicked on this video, then there's definitely some guidance, some message universe has for you. So don't skip this video. Come, let's see what guidance universe has for you. What are the cards coming up for you? Okay, I've got two cards for you. Come, let's see what cards you've got. So your first card that I've got is the Ten of Swords. And the second card that I have got is the Nine of Cups. Okay, so we'll begin with Nine of Cups because I want to go 9 and 10. So from the Nine of Cups, the universe is guiding you that there are soon happy times coming up for you. If you've been wishing for something to happen in your life, this wish of yours is soon going to come true. If you've been worrying about something, or if you have been, being anxious about something, then this card guides you to leave all your worries behind. Stop being anxious, because being anxious is only going to create more problems in your life. So just focus on all that you have in life already. Focus on doing things that make you happy. Focus on doing some kind of spiritual work. Also, I see that if you have closed yourself up to some situation, then the universe is asking you to open your perspective about that particular situation, because opening your perspective about that particular situation is going to help you feel more relaxed, is going to get off all the tension, stress away from your life. With the Ten of Swords also, the universe is guiding you to kind of release tension, release, it's a healing card basically is what I can see. So you need to release something you're holding on to. You need to let go of things that don't work for you anymore. Along with this, Ten of Swords is also guiding you to keep a check of your back. So if there is any kind of back pain that you have, or any issues with your back, then the cards are guiding you to be careful. And if the pain sustains for say more than 2 or 3 days, then get yourself checked is what the cards are saying. This also, I think, it's giving me a little bit of an energy of that. If there are any old energies, old things that you don't use a lot in your house, let go of them. Give it to somebody, donate it, or just throw them away. Once you let go of this energy, once you let go of your worries and stress, there definitely are going to be good times coming up for you. I can see that for sure. This card is also a card of wish fulfillment. So if there is anything that you have been wishing for, releasing your stress, releasing things that do not work for you anymore, will also definitely speed up your manifestation is what I can see for sure.